Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. We're very special, and guys, it's early morning over here. I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, on today's videos are very special, and man, long time waited. Finally, it's happened today. And anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos, and I'm heading outside to show you what has happened right now, and this is how my house looks like. For me, man, I feel so good, man. But me, I just believe in God, dream are valid. Everything that I do here, it's by God's grace. Anyway, guys, let me take you outside and see how things go. You can see today how the cloud looks like it's sunny today, but all in well, we feel the vibe to the end. And maybe some trees at home here waving to you, say hello. Wherever you are, my God bless you. So technically, let me see, I see some smoke. And when you see smoke around your kitchen, maybe something happened good inside. Wow, we have the spade here, we have hammer, and inside here, Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, so right now it's about to prepare lunch or breakfast for the students. For my brother and sister went to school, so right now I'm gonna wash utensils here. Is a milk right here. Hey, Mama, irairiko. So Mama want to cook rice and beans. I can't wait to eat. Wow. So Mama, let me check the guy outside.
Aye.
Yeah. So we give one of the guy a job here. He was requesting several times. And you know, guys, right now, when it's not raining, the water goes down. When it's too sun here, like dry season, like the month of maybe, let me say June, like February, June, and maybe September or October, the water goes down, and then my mama struggle going to the river fetching water. And as you know, outside there we have the outside pit latrine, and it need water every day, every single minute we must have water. So I'm coming with a small project, and it's not a tough, but me, I just keep supporting my family. So right now I'm telling you, let me show you here. You have the tank right there. Big shout out for one of my subscribers who made it possible, and for me, I say thank you so much. I have good royal subscriber. Right now, look, the water goes down. When it's raining, the water coming like chwa. You see right now, the water goes down. You see? So I need to close them. And on today's videos, I have a new project. It can take only 1 week to finish up. So I have the guy who dig the borehole right now here. So probably where I was parking the bike. Maybe people think that, oh, hello baby, you told us you have the new project, you didn't show us. Me, I'm showing you. As long as there's maybe something I want to put in public, everyone can know. So right now, my mama, she was just right there. I don't want maybe my mama, when the water tank has no water, mom running to the river, fetching water, and it's so far from here. I decided to construct the borehole. Even right now, I doesn't have nothing to start with that project, but I negotiate with one of my neighbor to start digging the borehole. When I get money, I paid him, and it goes to $180. They wanna dig until when we find water. So he told me he can go around 38 feet deep to find water. So I can use $180, almost to $200 to dig only the borehole to find water. And guys, finally, right here, new project at my home. Okay. Haho kiritu kujenga na tafari kuroe.
Kihike futi mbili. Kuruhanu igantari hajo bado. Kirika futi mbili kan hajo maha moja.
Ani angu tebiga.
Bado.
Makuru kara buru.
Hari honyoro i.
Kana nule honyora barahaga.
Mbebona. Marabaka kwa hansi kichengejo chini cha kusuhandu simbe.
Kana toko genu.
Bona.
Iko tachokora bukoro tukori bichinyoro.
Ikora tukuri bichinyoro. Hasi hara manchika kugenda iga ngora libe hanu iga. Bonu libe iga. Ngara cheke choro iga kara kabomole. Hanu hatote. Akoli iga.
Tatuko. Tenku chibasa chuno chihamu. Kurato koregen. Lakini tongire. Yaga faroki kari.
Nakanya kebole ngo ikara bono ndachuga bole kere ikeba kuga ntakutune kakarisa hano honso
ateke gare kera
ma harama
hano kere gasi ya gutukamara
ma ucha hano honso hano haracha chongo ho tuma baro hano iga hare ma gisimiki anenge kino kuruha hano haracha chongo.
Anyway guys, welcome on today's videos. That's my new project. Like people say, hello baby, what's up? I'm telling you, even when I want to construct or to build my mom's dream house, at least you have a place where they can fetch water, like let me say 3 drums, and then the rest of the water you can buy with a tuk-tuk. Imagine, man. And this toilet need water. Even right now as I speak here, no water inside. So sometimes I need to rush to the river fetching water, brought to the toilet here. Man, like me, I just pray in God when I start that project to find a lot of water. I could buy the motor and solar to pump water to the toilet right now as I speak here. Wow. So I'll go inside there later. Let me check our cows right here. Imagine, I'm telling you guys, welcome on today's videos with a new activity at my home here, starting the project of digging the borehole. I'm telling you, if you buy land like this, first thing is to construct a toilet and the borehole, and then maybe you can build your house. I'm telling you, me, I'm start with 000. As long as I'm trustful to my neighbor, man, at the end of the month I will pay him money. Why not? The cow relaxing here. Me, I'm always showing you our cows how it looks like. Hey, whoa. You good? What's up? Me, in the future, I'll keep this cow because it's growing so quick. This one, no more sale. Maybe in future when we have the perimeter wall round, it could stay inside the house. Wow. So I'm going down to see another one because my mama told me go every day you must check the cow. Because we don't like our cows distract our properties, like eating napier grass, eating kales, whatever. Right here. We have another one there. Guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about on today's videos? But for me, I made a huge progress. I'm telling you, man. Huge progress. Imagine. Down there we have the bungalow. Look. And he was my teacher. Right now he bought the land here. He was my neighbor. Why not? You good? Right. Wow. We have the small baby right here. You see, guys, that's my neighbor building, and the guy who make for me bricks just over there. Almost 3 kilometers from my home to my neighbor. Wow. Hey, that grazing, man. You see? Right there. Right, and I want to check another one down here. So at this moment my mom, she was preparing lunch for my brother and sister, and also in general, you know. Hey Migo, you good? Wow, look at that. Say hello. Anyway, guys, let me see that guy and show you how they dig the borehole. Imagine, I know for the outside of the world, we normally use machine to dig to construct the borehole. But here we do it local with manpower and all stuff, you know what I mean. But let's go, guys. I'm heading this way to see the guy who make for me bricks. Guys, look, this is what I was dreaming, and then dream come to reality. I built the toilet. Why not? So let's see. I had the power saw over there, but I can't go there because one of our woman in the village, like the age of my mother, embracing me, and I think it was the home that I had that power saw over there. Over there, guys. Imagine somebody come from nowhere, try to embarrassing you with no reason. With no reason. Me, I'm the guy who, like, I'm free-hearted, grinding so hard, and then maybe people came from nowhere, try to pull me down. No time with negativity. For example, my neighbor, no time, man. Wow. So let me squeeze my bike, put it at a good position. Because I'm trying to put the bike at this angle here. Oh my God! I'm pulling my bike. I think there. Yeah, there is okay. Wengo tebiri breakfast utakuwa unapewa, si mtakuwa mnapewa mtu wenye mtakuwa naye. Lunch mimi hapo silipishi. Hiyo ni condition yangu, sio mtaki nifanyia kazi ni kuninde.
So kiri hanoka haje toka Kenya mpako hegonda tirikumbatiliko uzimbe uni hanoda ikuja hayu wiki kitambo ni yihike mudandala
wata sokeno right mo uni ngote gisi makeno
abe mahane hayu iganenda mahane
tatuke nkayo tatuko non tebi ti pata kurusi biyo. So I'm telling him, as long as I have the mason or somebody work at my home, they must have breakfast, lunchtime for free, no payment. And then at the end of the day, I paid him money according to the price that we negotiate. And for me, guys, when I get $200, I think I can complete everything here. Digging the borehole, and then we shall see for the next. Me, I pray, oh my God, I don't want maybe this borehole to go deep, because when it's go deep, I use a lot of money. Maybe 15 to 20 feet. When we get water, man, we can enjoy. And then even my family can use water in general, right here. Baadaye miezi 3 tunaacha sasa huko.
Kwanza anokera situ mbakami. Na hatu kuyiga kicengero.
Enkera ajengera matafari.
Wene pipe otora mano. Nanchinku yagale morage cement ibubu yakimu.
Maybe guys, I have some maybe idea in future. You see right here, it's the boundary for our neighbor. Maybe in future I could build maybe perimeter wall here, and then the borehole and toilet could be the part of the compound inside. So like we need maybe security to be enough and tight. But right now, guys, this is my project here. Ichora mbento tukire usikana mwara muhanga niona hakungu sana tukamaka futi ngapi manya futi 10 tukasikana koyo
na mbenda azima kera hasi honso herugutuka Lokuma.
Hano na haran tofauti na ansi haran.
Hata neno boheni kada musika na kara mwaka kungu kama kara karenge.
Ai igisema kenombu ya kwa sababu gani? Usikaini ha uracha ingera tofali kuru.
Nda kungu hayo. Maana mbe hayo hokera konge. Mungu moja hora to kuma hu hangan kono nango.
Uninta utana kwa dichi pesa cha. Unini kutuke anachinchi nyori ni mkena he mama.
Mamo.
Unibonu kuchani futi mbima. Ngote yokenta nchanga niko chai kan kwa masenti na andeka ha. Usinda utuke wiki no ake bandri gisire hikire ngaira nyoru masenti kwa masenti ya gonzi. Vimiti food.
Tomanyi liga igisima nkene gasi nkongo mutungu ikumbole moyi kujuri kuruamo nyora magoro gano ikumbiri gagara ko bana ganto bono karaga kuyago sahara
akimba bakatonda ka hands
akini bakatonda kiganto nkondeka bono kimfano hato unikuna kasekwera wambe ndiyo kidogo kini montole ndachini chano tomanyi liga nabonye ulimbi hande no monto
ora tana shida ndale tata muzunga yara kortera mara
uyo tigaru tensa wapotere na n2e
muhono tana tabu tatuka onda onora tatuka benyunda ba hamasenti yomba antuki chonka ba hichimbire bagasuke nka
ngo maana hata bangu tunali chipesa
jumbe na kuri yutu kichoka pa
basi ni chinche tutoke hayuwe hale nyuringi ngeye igobokangi.
Guys, imagine I was talking with him. There's a time I was looking him around to start digging the toilet right there, but I didn't found him, and then I give some boys here. When they dig, when they reach at the like on the hard ground, they run away, and then I found one of our beloved dad within here. They dig. Ora tana nani shida kana
wana ngo tebiriga ndo kanya wan tebiriga ndo
tarishina mbili ndo nkupokea mushahara kana ni weekend open
akanyambe hojo mbarakini gono ale ngo tebiriga akobe ahasege ko
ndapa kopere
gono tate mahara
na wo muhemia tano na wayayi
icyo nichere ukora rero icho hata ngati nyuri sente yo ni chebere twara boyini nguchara akora unini mkechiyo munda moreba kasiko ko tumera siringi 100 bene kuramo ntigane gusimbe ntobe hata shiringi
sasi etabu harere niga muzora tana gasi atana iga gasi nkongo ona matepi niko wego kyo no awito mirumane kumataji ga
wena nda hata wemba karage
narare ganto ka kwa kontara divance
nde mwani giyeke omega mbo sinaba binde tole.
Alright guys, sorry for our vernacular language. So what he tried to mean to tell me is just like maybe tomorrow he'll find the handman when he dig and then put the sand and then the handman uplift up. So that's what he tried to talk in our vernacular language. Wacha to kusombara ngongera agwisi nyumba yenu menye chakoya tamusongare na benyu mohan kura benyu atike mano kya kwa muruzi kugisi
no maniriga na pante ba.
Anyway guys, I'm officially start the project here. So when it's complete, by God's grace, the only thing maybe that needed here is the bricks, wire mesh, and steel bar. The 12 2 pieces and the 10 3 pieces, and then 2 bags of cement. I've already have the concrete there to finish up everything, man. Finish up everything. This is what I'm trying to do. Maybe in future, this place going up to that way could be the part of my compound. Me, I want to stay with my mom, no matter what. When maybe it's hard life, simple life, I will stay with my mom within this compound here. And then maybe I will squeeze, maybe staying there. I left for my brother to stay here. And remember guys, maybe when I will be able in financial, I can build extra rooms here for the visitor room and for my brother's room. Why not? Me, I'm trying to grinding so hard to change the narrative within my dad's home. Anyway, guys, we continue. I'll show you when these types it's it. Ngani mukaro muhirenya buhansiga.
Yale.
Guchari.
Uko Kenya mbako hewanda tere kumati mesenti yo yo moyo siongutuka.
Tatoku wenkuyana.
Mahari senti morerete mukia mora. Megane ngore.
Alright guys, I left the work to be going on here. Right now, I'm rushing to the construction site. Imagine guys, I'm at home, I'm at construction to see how things goes, and also the mason. So he was my neighbor. Actually, he's driving me to Nyabuhans. Wow, so let's go. Oi! Chagara, Puguru. Up to Nyabuhans. That's my uncle bike right there, motorbike. On the control.
Yes.
Wow. So I'm heading to the construction site. Even I left my jacket there. So let's go and see how things go.
This is
Shera. Wow.
And we have Mapesa here.
Pesa.
How are you, Dad?
Imagine, up to
We are under contract.
up to the Nyabuhans construction site. I'm heading to David Jr., man. I'm telling you. For those people are asking me where is the register book for what we see next week. Wait. We have a sharp corner here. You need to hoot Pepe. Wow, it's so hot, man. Over here, I'm on the motorbike, guys. Look, guys. That's my bike. Guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Give a video a like, comment, and let me know in the comment section below what you think about on today's vlog. Wow. Have the ship there. Bana saya putra control pohore.
Kana mati ani ma isaiti bore ko bahanga smancho no monto yo. Omon ora mati ga kuja.
That's how we go. Look, man. Look how my village looks like. Look. On this side here. You see? Down there. Special gate. Perimeter wall. Man, people here, they are building at on pace. Even Hello Baby soon.
This is called police.
Call police. Oh yeah, surely. I interact with so many people when I'm going to Nyabuhans. Maraba, shikamoo za Swahili words. Shikamo, like how are you? This is where my brother and sister study right here. Also, 99% of YouTubers study here. See, Mura, vipi Mura? Yeah. Mura is just like a man, not a boy. How are you? Yake Mura. How are you? Wow. It's an amazing day. And today, guys, the weather is so beautiful. Like, I'm not wearing the jacket right now. I'm telling you, guys. Best of the best. Wish me in my videos. and I'm ready to go. See, for example, this is a rental house here with a lower price, another one here, but this one here some are bits a high price, and that one here it's not control.
Yes, we are under control.
Under control. Imagine from here it's around maybe 100 meters to hit Nyabohansi. I'm showing you. Nyabohansi is just right there. Right there. Why not? You had a cook? Blessing, man. This is Nyabohansi for you. I'm telling you. Look how it looks like. Nyabohansi, it's a small center but a popular to the world. We try to brand our village. It's right here. Oh guys, it's morning over here. Hey, hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good also.
Yes.
Just working. Yeah.
Good morning.
Morning.
I just here. I've just entered the work. Starting the day well. Yes.
Okay. It's to demolish the box, guys.
Yes.
Right here, and that's how my video starts. So today came in a good time. No crying like, oh, it's so late.
So we are going to also remove this one.
Then another.
No. This one.
Okay.
We have removed the timbers. So this how it looks like
Oh.
after removing.
Okay. Oh. Tera.
Mchanga ni mbili ulikuwa naleta.
Hiyo ina shida, mwaga tu kando. Siko kwa side. Wow. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Morning.
Morning to you. Guys, today came in a good time. So for those people who are asking me where is the book, next week you see the book, but this week is to demolish the box and see how the pillars remaining and everything. I'm telling you, nothing could be bragging. Babu. That's a crowbar. It's a crowbar making work easier. See? Hey. Oh, and then we store those timbers here, like some boxes. Man, this mega dream house is so big. I'm telling you, at the other side. Wow. And for me, I'm so grateful to be here and to see how things goes right Rift Center, to make sure everything's good. When Dave Junior he'll come again here, he'll find something in good way. I'm telling you, man. Look even at this pillar. Look, it's straight. I can't wait to see the first floor. Imagine here is the underground, like ground floor, the first floor, and then pillars go by God's grace. So just over here, and at the same time they will put this post here round and then adjust. Wow. So far so good. This is where my life changed from, and I'll show you where I was starting to dig the foundation before I came on this house here. Before I came on this large tall building here, I was working right there. Let me show you guys. There's a day David Jr. show you on his videos, and for me today I decided to show you guys. Let me tell you guys one thing. If you are hard work maybe to achieve something, you'll get it. And always hard work pays. Imagine, I have the memory store right there on those pillars and perimeter and whatever. I was the last guy to start to dig the foundation for the perimeter wall, but the good thing is I'm the first guy to finish digging, and I defeat. We are on that day we are around 6 people, and amongst 6 people I defeated them to be the first one to finish digging the foundation. I'm not bragging things. And there's even a day to eat the githeri after finishing digging the foundation, man. I'm telling you. Let me show you. Come along with me. Imagine, Chef Matiko's home is right here initially before he migrates to the other side. Imagine how people's life have been transformed. Why not Hello Baby Official? Why not? And I saw in the comment section on my yesterday videos, people write for me hashtag why not. So I'm heading this way to show you. That's how I rode the camera. I must walk here careful because today I didn't come with my gumboot. So try to imagine from that's the pillar, first pillar, second pillar, third pillar. Here, before David Jr. starts that tall building foundation right there, he was starting with the perimeter wall for the security and purposes. So I'm the guy who started from there up, like count 1 pillar, second pillar, third pillar. I'm the guy who dig that place, and that's how I get first shout out from Dave Jr. And I want to say thank you so much, guy, by keep supporting me, by subscribing to my channel. From that day up to nowadays, I want to say thank you a million. May God bless you. You are my good people. You are my royal subscriber. Thank you so much. And for me, I turn congratulations to David Jr. because he was the one who introduced me to you guys. And man, I'm ready to go. Even right now, at this moment, I can't wait to see my mom's reaction. And on today's videos, you'll see more amazing videos coming. So right here, maybe in this house, by God's grace, when it's complete, right here it could be the parking point, maybe, and swimming pool at the back. You know, right here. Look at our neighbors, tall building there. Look. And back here's that guy who was rich in our village here, even up to border town. But nowadays things look the way they are. Look, we have a green grass here, and even a cow can graze here. We have avocado, man. It's real life in Africa here. Look. So anyway, guys, thank you so much. So I'm taking you on other side. So for those people who are asking me where is your record book, on Monday next week you will see. Probably when I get money, I'm supposed to surprise one, 2, 3 maybe people here with helmets. No nera ha. Nugusuria vene camera. Hey. Tango teriga mchanga ni. Iko vene. Hey.
Mchanga.
Mchanga.
Oh, jacket.
Hii hata ni haina shida.
Ukitoa hiyo jacket, mtu atajua sasa ulikuwa kazi. Lakini na hiyo jacket
utafanya kazi hivyo. I hope mkonekana ndivyo sana.
utafanya haraka toka muda. Utakuja na mama, fanya haraka wewe.
Nenda na muda tata, hapa ni kazi tu tata.
Yaani
Serikali ya Kenya kwanza nataka mtu ako na bidii. Serikali ya kusema na kutenda. Dawa itafanya kazi. Pole pole.
Yes.
Tumanore hime. Har.
Kanori buja.
Meru. Mambo barida. I'm done, guys. So for now, is to create a mod. Wow, it's good to make an exercise, guys. Whew. So right here is to create a pure moat. That's what.
Sasa nguchoka no msese kono kono. Ah, tole kono. Machira hariga ku.
Kora hagacha msasa kama kwa tofali. Hey nyuma.
Tafadhali.
Eo hagacha.
Bro.
Oh, hagacha na.
Oh, hagacha na.
Eh. Nokanya hare kai.
Puro sana. Puro sana. Kana wana ko hagacha na matafali ya msingi.
So guys, wait till you see the motor. That's how we create a motor, guys, right here. Waiting to show you.
Rolling ring ko keren kuro. Wako na takare na kuno na taka to kenge. Ndo chake. Yani koreo na ki.
Ana waru kuchana.
Kujora ndo mosai.
Yesak.
Kayo koru kar chachi nya funige nchenge sense ento mikire konte. Mangana gindi.
Okay, there's a motor.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mimi. Amawi. Yeah. Wow. Wow, guys. Today is to cut the post to fix. Hey. The house is coming in good way. Look, guys. I'm telling you, man. Woo. Yoni Zakai. Wow.
Can you see me, guy?
I see you.
Today I'm tall enough.
Maybe next week is to fix steel bar. Hey,
And we are still on form work.
foam work.
Yeah, timber work.
I'm telling you guys, this is the post. Right now we are done foam work. Do it. Jay.
J Official Builder, my channel account name. Kindly guys support me, subscribe for my channel. I really appreciate you.
Did you make video every day?
I'm going to upload that the weekend, guy.
Maybe weekend you shoot
time,
videos.
Time is not enough for us to.
No, make sure on Monday when I come here, bring your phone, I shoot your video.
Actually,
As you work.
Actually, bring it.
Okay.
And I appreciate.
Okay.
Oh, guys, welcome. Welcome.
Monday morning. Haya. Nishakwambia. So utasema Jay Official na uweki video. Jumatatu asubuhi nikija, video dakika 5 inatosha.
Nitakupea simu.
Haya. Guys, he has a YouTube channel and he didn't uploading video every day. So I'm promising him on Monday. On Monday, I will help him to shoot the videos holding the phone. Okay. You have the guy carrying here. Guys, right here is a soup. Ufungo one soup jamani. So I brought one of the worker for the Virginia, like the mason, to work in the Virginias, and then they want to eat food. This is marenge. Like foods for the cow. We have sardine here. Aitaho unubukima. Afu nipe namba ya simu.
59.
Utaniandikia. Sina simu. Obomie kana novo. Kani bibi byakora wito bire. Utabomie otemesa hali hicho.
Nenda wa kupe mahindi nitampelekea pesa. Mama Nyangoko.
Ni vimena.
Pata pesa. Mwambie kupe mahindi.
Say hello. Say hello. Right. Anitakenga mbono.
Hata ya sewe.
Cheza Nairobi wewe
Ati niende hapo sara huko.
Sasa yeye atatumia 100 kupe 30. And right here have veggies. Ora chikara ndabu ya hata ndambo kitu.
Wana mangano kungu
Mungu moja ntarara.
Mangani gatuna meno bie.
Sikuragi nyama ya mafuta.
Sasa hii ni nyama kweli.
Tana masente angra ndambo ngencha nkore bichi.
Aka.
Kwani ni henkuye? Si niko kwenye site hapo.
Hapana we. Ucheundi bicho na hivi.
Hii sinaenda bosi anatuma hilo. So they're enjoying right. Nipe namba jaenda.
Sani mbili zote.
Alright guys, my journey continues. So the guy will take the control. The brand new. Murusware buye mura. Se nentem. Akikuigwa.
Twende. Wewe hapa sisi. Hapa sisi na hapa.
Captain, hapa sit. Alright guys. It's a beautiful morning here. So heading to Migori. Hey, bro. Wow. This vehicle is going to Border Town. Right here. Ngora. Hey, pole.
Nambo tata amekodi.
Wow guys, that's how it goes. No crying. Got our own pace.
Wanapozunguka hapa kimita box ina ikielea.
Guys, make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. That's the best way you can support Elobego official. Imagine, and wow, that is great. Yeah, this road connects East Africa, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania. Wow, I'm telling you. Woo. At the far end, I see KK or a tuk-tuk, three-wheel bike right there. Let's go. Right, that's like KK. Right there. I'm heading to Migori. I'm outside. Right now, guys, are heading to Marbella. I'm showing you some of these videos. I will get where I am right now. I'm in Marbella.
Have you seen them smarty?
Yes, run cruise on Toyota.
Oh, where?
So we need to fuel the bike, guys. Right now here. It's time to fuel the bike. Yeah, it's time to fuel the bike as we continue with our journey. Right now this is my beta. So on today's videos, I'll write the title down. This is a captain. We need to fuel as we go. Hey. Live. I'm
fueling 10,000.
No, that's $1, bro. There's a small shade here. Wow. Guys, sorry for the music, but all in well, let's roll the vibe. I get in the bike. It's time to go. It's the cake right there. Whoa. Guys, sorry for the music. Sometimes I face some challenges of the music. Whoa. Wow. Whoa. Keep going. Wow.
This is the ambulance.
Right now, guys, we're almost at Migori, so keep going. Our babe right there. I want to get the top of my hair.
What the hell?
Right. Let's go. Now the satellite right there. I think maybe it's public satellite right there. Wow. Telling you guys, this is Migori. For you. Wow. Imagine when you use this route going to the airport. Here. I'm telling you. Hey, old version. We are heading to Migori. Wow. Right now, guys, we are in Migori, but we're heading to the town. Side here we have another shed. Imagine 1 kilometer, like 800-meter apart, another shed. Rubies. You go by the end of the month. All the way positive vibe. Here's there like a company of Coca-Cola, maybe a store, right there. Hey, people are constructing right there with the blocks. Kenya look sugar burger. Wow. But as soon I'm going to make my own. Telling you. See that house there? Wow. This is a Florence hotel here. Hey, nito ni kayo mahayo. Kami dihingira mabifula. Yo raus kumi ngumi. Ndio hapo.
Mwema anaweza kuicheka. Ngoma bado kama tema kuhusu hapo. Yes, guys, we are almost. The small ambulance is here. Moscow clean water. Have you seen, guys?
Wow, almost reached Migori town right now. The most popular. And in Kenya, we have 47 county. And I'm belonging to 47 county, guys, which is Migori. 44. Maybe I think where I came from. It's my last count. Yeah? So amongst 40. Alright. Amongst 47 county, I'm belong to Migori county.
Zile gari za kaunti zimeandika kwa vipopo.
This will be good for you.
By the way, I have 45.
You have Life Care Hospital right here. Oh, nice hospital. Look at that. There's a guy with a chicken on the
48.
Hey, what a poromo. Rachu murichi como mante. Bana po tiraito.
Well, relax. Mimi niko na nyinyi, sawa?
This is Migori town.
I'm the driver. Give me humble time.
Right.
Please give me humble time, guys. Give me humble time. Yes,
Wow,
mister.
I miss this restaurant right here. I'm telling you. Wow. Wow. Now guys, this is Migori town for you, and at this bridge here, there's somehow congested of the vehicle and motorbike right here.
And I'm the controller of the machine.
That's the bridge right there. And I know you guys here, you must ride careful. Hey, look at that, bulldozer. Wow. Whoa. Mama, kamu ya rakeng kamu Wow. Let's go. Okay, City Bank right here. Wow. All this that you see here, written Safaricom, and Safaricom tried to plant their name. Oh, good study. Wow. And I think guys, we're heading to the government place. I wanna post my video. Right now guys, we're in Migori. This is how Migori looks like, and we have the bike right here. So it's 150 BM. It's 150cc. You know that it's 150cc. Captain Max. Hey, this is Migori town for you guys. I'm telling you. See? And that's how everything it is here. Subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share my videos. Wow. And guys, don't forget, go and check Felicitas. I'll share the link every videos so she can maybe improve in terms of subscriber and views, you know. Love is for free. Me, I'm just mentor her step by step. Wow. Imagine guys, this is me good town for you. Like no crying. Hello baby over here on the control. Oh guys, I'm back home, and the work that I left is continued, and I want to see something to eat inside the house. Imagine since morning, and right now it's around 2 p.m. my local time, and I didn't take anything. So do the work for the borehole construction right here. Man, yeah, I'm just grinding so hard. I'm telling you. Look, this is the borehole here. Maybe, let me say less than 1 week, you'll see going deep, and then by God's grace, maybe we found water. And this is the right time to construct the borehole. So no muda guimbura. Na wabiri tore.
Ana mbona wapiri January ba. Kana tumunga wano ukwanza turumuzi okwanza. Atatara kama tata kumetanu ngakatekate. Bato umuzi okwanza.
Anyway guys, this is my work, and I think mama amekupa chakula. I'm asking him, did my mama give you food? He said all right. I have a nice mom, beloved mom, who take care of me, who take care of my young sister and brother, also who take care of the mason. Like for example, I have somebody digging the borehole. Imagine. So at a time like this, let me have something to eat, you know. And I left my mama while preparing the lunch and all stuff, but all in well, I'm taking the soap from here. I wanna wash my hands right here. I'm telling you, hygiene. Sorry guys, my camera fall down, but it is what it is. Alright guys, I want to wash my hand here, right here. This is soap, right here. Piece of soap. I'm telling you guys, let me see something to eat. Because I was holding the soap, let me rinse one hand. Wow. Welcome to our small kitchen. This is where my mama prepares the food. Oh, down here Oh, that's a strong tea. Let me see here. That's rice over there. And you guys, you advise me don't eat plain rice. Just have like veggies or beans. Wow. These are traditional pots right here. We have beans. Wow. I wanna put a little bit rice. Don't want to take too much rice. I'm telling you. That one I'm okay. Wow. I want to add beans. These beans right here. Anyway guys, thank you. We shall meet on the next video where I'm eating. Alright guys, let me pray for my food. Thank you, Heavenly Father, bless my food that in front of my table. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. Let's continue eating the food. So right here, we have milk tea on this stuff here. So it meant me and my brother. So when he came from school, they will found tea and enjoying. Like that way. So this one I kept for my brother and my sister because my mama, she was not around here. Wow. Look at that. So yummy. If you want to eat plain beans, Anyway guys, we shall meet on the next videos. Let me enjoy the food, guys. Alright guys, I'm finished eating my lunch, so I want to end my videos. At the same time, I open another project which can take me only 1 week and to finish everything. So probably I think $200 it can finish everything. Digging the borehole, buying of maybe stuff that I was talking about, stuff like steel bar, door for the borehole and everything, labor money. Imagine. But me, I'm just grinding so hard to see this project coming in good shape. Wow. And he starts, let me say 3 hours ago, and he was going good right here. Anyway guys, thank you so much. Let me end my video here, and in case you're new here, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, share my videos. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. Why not Hello Baby? Anyway, at the same time, when I'm doing like this close to my camera, my face look like but when I'm doing like this, I think that is okay. So anyway, subscribe to Felicitas YouTube channel. I'm trying to mentor her step by step, and right now he was 91 subscriber. Guys, please take her even to 150 subscriber. I really appreciate. Wow. So we shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow. And a day like this I didn't expect, but alright guys, sorry, my battery went off and I boosted them. So I was saying that more expectation is coming. So like a day like this, I didn't expect it, like I'm going to start the project of digging the borehole, simply because right now we are in dry season, and I was showing you how the level of water goes. It's coming at a low pace, or yeah, so I decided to dig the borehole for meanwhile, like for emergency, when the water tank does not having water, my mama could use the borehole, like fetching water from the borehole. Imagine. And thus I'm ready to go. Anyway, we shall meet on the next video, guys, which is tomorrow. For me, I'm just doing that one, and let's see how my time will take me to dig the borehole. Right now as I speak, the guys on the borehole inside. So we shall meet on the next video, guys. For now, I'm tired, but I'm not that, like, I'm not tired in bad way, I'm tired in good way. Wow. So much greeting from here, guys. Bye.